How to log in Quotex account on your PC. So first thing, simply head over to any web browser, and once you're inside here, just search in for Quotex login, and you'll be heading over to this page. And once you're inside here, just click on the first link, which is the Quotex login page. So it will open this page, and from over here, what you can do is you can also click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account for Quotex. So if you have an existing account, simply click on sign in, which means logging in. So from here, what you can basically do is simply fill out your email and your password and just click on the sign in button. And if you have forgotten your password, you can also click this forget password button to recover your password. And you can also log in with your either with your Facebook or your Google Gmail account. So let me just do that. And once you sign in, you will be successfully logged into your account just like this, and you'll be seeing this page at your first try. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.